What's going on, everybody? It's Jacob Vile. I just got my packages today. Going to be replacing my back excess power battery with some lithium. So today I'm going to do a quick unboxing to show y'all what I got. So stay tuned. Inside, since it's raining, just got these packages in. I haven't even opened it up. Kind of excited to show y'all what I went with today. I'll find out in a minute. Just want to say thank y'all for always watching, and subscribe if you haven't. A lot of footage to come, as well as check out my channel, Jacob Vile 2, for more build updates on my build as I progress. Really hoping that this lithium that I upgrade to will substantially increase my output, since before I was dropping to 11.8 to 12.2. Now I'm hoping to hold 14s, or at least high 12s, or 13s. Sorry, I don't want to drop into the 12s. So lithium pack battery here, the storage of it. Got some shirts. So here's the brand that I went with. Limitless Lithium. Shot at Limitless Lithium. Also make sure to use, I just set up a coupon discount code with them, Jacob Vile. Link in the description you'll see as well. LimitlessLithium.com. Jacob Vile will be able to use save a little bit of money on your purchase if you do get some lithium from them. Or other products as well on their site at Limitless.com. So pretty cool, stout Limitless Lithium stickers as well. And you'll see in a minute what I got here. If you want to move the camera at all, Jess. Got my attachments as well for this. So, and I'm going from a 100-pound battery to what? 2 15-pound batteries. So I'm going from 100 pounds of AGM, which is low because of course for my power people would be running at least 2 or 3 of the battery I had to hold good voltage. So now what I'm going with is just this. Whew. These are actually pretty nice. Let me set this aside real quick. Like I said, I'm inside here, get all this packed up. Make sure I keep my packaging. So LimitlessLithium.com is our Jacob Vile discount code if you want to save a little bit when you shop too. So I got 2 of the Limitless 45 amp hours. Move it down if you want. 45 amp hour Limitless Lithiums that I got here. So these are rated at 8,500 watts RMS, based on 300 amp hours of alternator charge. So realistically, that's right at what I'm going to be at. 800 watts. I mean, around 300 amps of alternator charge, since I'm going to have the high output alternator is a 350, but with the electrical of the vehicle. So I got 2 of these. So I'm going from this one battery here. I already took it out of my truck. So I had a single excess power D7500 in here. And I'm running from that one battery, one group 75, which equates to probably about 1/3 of what this is for one of these batteries. So one of these batteries equals to 400 amp hour AGM batteries. So 400 amp hours of AGM equals one of these 45 amp hours. So I'm assuming that since that was 140 amp hour AGM I had, so it's probably about 30% of one of these batteries. So one of these batteries alone is going to take up, pretty much cover over twice as much battery reserve as I had, as well as it's going to be, these are going to 13.2 stable voltage with the vehicle off. All that AGM was like 12.6 to 12.8. So pretty exciting to see. Hit the like button and let me know what y'all think so far. Talk a little bit more on that. Once again, shout out Limitless Lithium for the stickers as well. And I got, let's see what else we got in here for goodies. Don't forget to use Jacob Vile coupon code when you shop at LimitlessLithium.com. So they gave me all of my links, so I'm able to link these together. And I've got my attachments for it too, so I can run my bolts, since I'm going to be using ring terminals I can actually run my, looks really good. The positives and the negatives. You can see those are CNC machined. Probably a 3 or 4 axis. Nice. Looks really good. So I got all of this. All 4 of them. So I chose to go, so some people are asking why did I choose to go with this route. So before my old system, I ran a 100 amp hour one of these and a 70 amp hour. So I had 170 amp hours of limitless lithium before on 2 alternators, and I was clamping around 22,000 watts. I would drop to mid 12s, full tilt to clipping, revved up RPM. So I know these do really well for the battery reserve I need, and I'm trying to hold high 13s, low 14s full tilt, and I'm planning to stay with the single 6,000 watt amp I have. So I definitely am promised, know that I could have ran just one of these and been fine, but I decided to go with 2 instead of 1 because there's no such thing as too much battery reserve, and I'd rather have extra battery reserve to help support when I'm demoing at idle. So when I do a burp and I'm outside the vehicle doing tests, or I get out of the vehicle to try out some things, you never know. When you're on idle, the alternator's only gonna put out probably about 40 to 50% of the efficiency on it. So instead of a 350 amp alternator putting 350 amps, I'm only gonna get around 180 amps out of it. So definitely gonna be needing that extra battery reserve for that. Plus, I just like to have more than not enough. And you never know, upgraded power in the future I could use with this. So 2 45 amp hour limitless lithiums. Shout out to limitlesslithium.com. Use Jacob Valdez coupon code. Let me put this together while on camera. I've never seen these in person like this. I've seen them in so many builds when I got demos, but never in person. They look really good. Did a really good job if any of the guys here are watching this. So I got the shirts as well, as I mentioned earlier. One for me and my wife. And then I went with the lug style. So I got my bolts here as well. So let me go ahead, and they gave me a couple of stickers. All right. There we go. Make sure I got everything out of the package. Yep. All packages are good. Let me know what y'all think about this. Give me your comments, and let's see. Stay tuned for build results as well. I'm going to be able to give an update on how my meter results changed by just going direct battery swap, as well as see how my voltage holds. So I know with the old build, my AGM, I would drop to like 11.7, 11.8 on the very, very hard clip to burp. But with these, I'm hoping to hold 13s. So I'm going to get these installed later. It's raining outside now, so I'll do a video inside. Got excited. Anybody that's a bass head knows you get excited when you get new. Sorry, when you get new audio equipment. So limitless.com. Jacob Valdez discount code if you want to look into getting something like this. It doesn't have to be this beefy, and also they have ones up bigger than this. They also have the Cyber series. Somebody's going to ask me, why didn't I go with the Cyber series? I've had good experience with these in the past, and I felt like going with what I already had good experience with, as well as they weren't in stock at the time when I needed them, and I didn't want to wait 6 weeks. So, here we go. All of my Allens and bolts look really good. Pretty much everything I'll need is here. They provided. So, I'll put this together as well. Hit the like button once again. Subscribe if you haven't. And let me know. Stay tuned for more build updates with these installed. Looks really good, so I like it. It's not a custom cheap bank that you can get made. These are LiFePo 45 amp hours. I don't know very much about lithium at all. All I know is I've seen them in real world test results do really good numbers. So you got your positive on one end, and I'm going to be able to link them together so kind of see how this looks before I end this video. I got to kind of make sure I know how to link them. I've never done the last ones I just used wires. It's pretty cool that they have a link system for it. So you can put your negative and your positives. You got your positives here. Oh, I'll do this off camera. Let me do one last thing before I end this video, just so I can kind of see where my voltage is at. If I remember right, they can't have these fully charged as well when they ship them out for safety reasons, so I'll actually have to... Come here, Jess. Can you show the voltage? voltage. I have to make sure I have it charged before I install it, or just have the RPM or the alternator sitting idle for like an hour, half an hour. So that's 13.28. Go to the other battery, 13.3. So they're both right at resting voltage. So perfect. 13.3, 13.3. So my old battery was resting at good. My old battery over here, I showed you earlier, was resting at like 11 or 12.6, 12.8. 100-pound battery going from a 100-pound battery to around 25 to 30 pounds of lithium. So I'm pretty excited to see what happens with this. So as you can kind of see, I'm going to have my links and then my mount points, and then all my bolts can go through with my set screws. So stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't, and once again, shout out to limitlesslithium.com. Be sure to use Jacob Vial coupon code when you shop. You'll save a little bit as well. Every dollar counts. Jacob Vial out. I'll see you on the next one for a new build update on this. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vial, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.